So, good morning to everyone, all the participants and the organizers and the guests. So, today we are having esteemed guest, Dr. Pranjal Mule. Let me introduce him in a formal way. He is Associate Professor and Associate Dean, Business Analytics with Vivekanand Education Society's Business School, Mumbai, and enterprising leader in the arena of education, possessing a global mindset and strong qualitative and conceptual abilities to mentor and motivate students toward achieving their dreams. Over 2 decades of experience with various business schools for academic and allied activities, high impact teaching, and multidisciplinary research. Currently, he is associated with VES Business School, Mumbai, as Associate Professor and Associate Dean, Business Analytics and Information Technology. With PhD in Management Information Systems Services, he is imparting knowledge on MIS data warehouse, data mining, big data, Hadoop, Python, SQL, machine learning, predictive modeling, artificial intelligence, deep learning, and basic plus advanced Excel. He is keen on advancing innovation in the education management sector, eager to train and teach young citizens of the world how to learn, thereby nurturing game changers of the future. He has conducted several workshops, webinars, and FDPs. Also, he has published various research papers in international and national journals and the conferences he has presented. So now we welcome Dr. Pranjal Mule for the session. Sir, over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Actually, I lost my connection for a while, so I could not hear you.
Yeah.
But anyways, I'll start now this session. And good morning, everyone whosoever is present over here. And many thanks to Dr. Bapat and Dr. Rastogi and all other, directly, indirectly involved in this FDP from my end, from my institute end. Many thanks to all of you.
So one thing, let me interrupt you. One thing I want to just convey to you. We have the participants from all over India. So you can see the entire country here. So over to you, sir.
Great. This is really nice. So good morning, everyone, participants across India. And I am from Mumbai, so it's a rainy season over here. You all must be knowing this is Mumbai. And we really witnessing currently good rainfalls over here. So with this pleasant, climate outside my room, we will start our journey of this 2 hours. So can I have permission to share my screen? Because some Priyansh Sharma is currently sharing. Yeah, please. Thanks. Yeah, I guess I'm visible. My screen is visible.
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Yes. Okay, so topic of me is AI tools and application in education, which is very much similar. Rather, it is a subset of the strategizing future in education. That is how we'll consider. So my topic, how artificial intelligence, how machine learning, how augmented reality, and how all these, the current upcoming tools of data science area can be used in higher education or in normal education. Education is a broad field, so we can take right from the nursery to the higher education. So we just see in these 2 hours how that journey or how the scope of such tools in higher education. Currently, some tools have already been used. We are experiencing in some or other way in our day-to-day life or in our professional life as well. So we'll see everything. So, my headlines or the points for discussion will be definitely will start with introduction. So introduction of artificial intelligence. That's many of you. I assume that many of you might be from the area which is not very much technical. So we'll try to understand in our layman language what is artificial intelligence as a whole, but that too in academic context. Then we just try to peep in history a little bit about AI, artificial intelligence, how it started long back, and what are the footprints or its impression in education area till modern education, what we see and what we are working in the environment, that is what. Then third, what are the current AI-based application, AI-centric application in education, in both way, individual applications and as a complete integrated system as a whole. Then what are the benefits of artificial intelligence in education? And as I always say to my students and to everyone, every new concept, every new technology, every new phenomenon has its own pros and cons. Benefits we usually talk about, we are very loud about pronouncing all benefits and everything, but it is not always a cakewalk for everyone. So there are some dark sides also, some dark shades also, some challenges also. So we definitely are going to talk about those challenges and concern about AI being used in education, and what are the future trends, or what are the scope of the different scopes of AI in futuristic education or in upcoming days of education. So having said this, we'll start with the introduction part. Before starting introduction, let me tell you one thing. I have few videos also, which I actually have embedded in my presentation, but unfortunately, it due to the platform dependency, we are not able to run it directly. But what I have done, I have separately opened those videos, and when it comes, that point comes for that the video to be to be played. So I will play it separately. So I will definitely have to disconnect, or I will have to unshare my screen, not disconnect, unshare my current screen, and then I will have to reshare. So just bear with me, and I apologize this in advance because it definitely breaks continuity. But I do not have any other option to do it. So that is what we will do this way. But I'll make sure that overall narration as a story building will be intact. So introduction. So in introduction, we'll first talk about the artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? All of us, I mean, whosoever is present over here, have heard about artificial intelligence in some or other way. We usually talk about some or other way artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? So when we talk about artificial intelligence, so people who are technical, so probably they will say that artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science, okay, so which helps our computer system to think like a human being, and blah, blah, blah. There are various technologies working under this umbrella, like machine learning, natural language processing, then computer vision, robotics, expert system, decision support system, and many more. So this is what, somehow the technical part of, just a minute, I lost my presentation. Yeah. My presentation is visible, no?
Yes, sir. Introduction part. Slide
Yeah. This is the screen. Yeah, correct. Yeah. I actually lost the. Yeah. So this is the artificial intelligence as a. I mean, it's a technical definition. So many of us, those who are technical, will definitely try to understand, or will understand artificial intelligence in more technical way. But here, what we are going to do, we are going to understand artificial intelligence in very layman's language, like I and you generally speak in our day-to-day life. So what is artificial intelligence? So artificial intelligence is basically a mechanism to giving brain to computer. I mean, इतनी सीधी भाषा में बात करता हूँ मैं. We will try to give brain to computer so that he can use human intelligence to some extent. अभी ये human intelligence क्यों use करना है? so that we can teach computers, because definitely we are teaching our computers, we are making our computer systems expert, intelligent. So definitely we need to teach computers. What to teach? We need to teach them that you learn from your experience. I mean, I'm teaching computer how to learn from your own experience. So here, computer will take, capture various inputs, capture. It will try to analyze that data. It will then mistake. Many times it commits mistake. It learns from those mistakes. It learns from its own experiences, whatever it is observing and everything. So this is the very first point of artificial intelligence. That artificial intelligence basically is a mechanism to make your computer learn from its past mistakes, learn from its own experience. The best example, those who are from IT, those who are from data science background, they can easily understand that classification model of machine learning or any other model of machine learning, wherein, thousands and thousands of scenarios are provided to the computers, and out of those thousands and thousands of scenarios, computer learns to take decisions. And the best example, which I've already pasted over here, there are hundreds and thousands of pictures of cats of different, angles, different dimensions, and hundreds and thousands of pictures of images and videos of dogs are provided to the computer through machine learning, through artificial intelligence. Computer will learn whenever I provide a new picture, new video, whether this is a cat or this is a dog. Learn from experience. This is how the thing is all about. The next thing which we want my computer to do it, that computer should understand and should respond in human language. That is the other thing which I want my computer to do it through artificial intelligence. So computer can understand human language and computer can respond in human language. This is another beauty of artificial intelligence, which can, equip computers to do it. Alexa and Siri, I don't have to tell you much about Alexa and Siri. Everyone knows across this assembly that what is Alexa and what is Siri. So these are the best example of artificial intelligence, which they can understand your language and they can respond in your own language itself. Again, a part of artificial intelligence. Now, third thing, what is artificial intelligence? So I want my computer ki bhai, you should see and recognize object, whether it is a moving object or whether it is a still image. So whatever is there, whether it is image, whether it is a moving object or a video, you should be able to see, identify, recognize, and take decisions and work accordingly. Okay. So this is another thing which we want or we expect from artificial intelligence to prepare or